No in the bag, bitch.
Hey girl, hey, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how I achieved this super cute hairstyle that everybody was asking me about. I'm going to leave all the products in the description down below, but let's get straight into it. Alright y'all, so this is my braiding pattern. This is what it looked like in the back. I just did some straight backs with two going to the side, as you can see, and I left the front up top open so that I can use that portion of hair for my braids. I couldn't get the words out. But also, as far as the products that I used, this is the hair that I used. This is the Janet Remy Illusion Virgin Hair Dupe Collection in 1B. It came in a pack. I'll leave all that in the comments down below. Also, this is the Spectra hair that I used. This is also in 1B. Really good braiding hair. And as far as parting, I use jam. And to moisturize my hair, I use the Miel Organics moisturizer. Also, I used my own personal hair growth organic oil. This will be on the market very soon, so stay tuned for that. Follow me at Applessweetpie on Instagram for updates on it. So this video isn't going to be much about a tutorial because it's kind of hard to explain how to sew and how to cornrow braid in one video. But if you're interested in learning a very detailed beginner-friendly video on how to do your own sewing or how to do your own cornrow braids, go ahead and leave a comment down below. And while you're at it, you might as well go ahead and like this video. And also subscribe to my channel for more videos because, yeah, girl, I am the DIY queen. So here is me getting ready to start the sewing process. I got my needle already threaded, and I'm going ahead and just looping through the hair, going back and forth, and you'll see me do this all the way up into the top. I was pretty sloppy with doing my sewing, so if you see it and you see me just kind of going in and out, leaving some big spaces, some wide spaces, I didn't really plan on keeping this hairstyle in for a long time anyway, so I didn't want to do a super tight sewing. Granted, it's also just kind of some local beauty supply store hair, so I didn't want to go ahead and sew it as tight as I possibly can. But if you want me to do a video showing a very detailed way on how to do a sew-in and how to do a very long-lasting sew-in, I definitely can do that. But this one was kind of sloppy, so you guys don't really mind, you know, the technique behind it. I'm just kind of weaving through my braids, going back and forth, doing some big spaces because I wanted to do this as quickly as possible. I will say this hairstyle took me about maybe like 4 hours to do, and I could have done a quick weave for the back portion instead of sewing the back, which was an option that I considered. However, I just, you know, I haven't sewn in a while, so I wanted to still, you know, see if I got it, you know. Alright, so for a quick hair review on the Janet Collection hair, the hair that I'm using right now to sew in, I think that this hair was pretty good. It's really soft. It did not shed a lot. And also, you know, I kept the hair in for about a week and a half to 2 weeks. Close, yeah, about 2 weeks after I took it out. But I took it out because I wanted to do another style, and I'm really impatient. But if you wanted to keep this hair in longer than that, you definitely can. Um, After a while, it does get a little matted, so it's really good if you want to keep it maintained. You really want to wrap the hair up at night, put it in a bonnet, or at least just kind of twist it back and then take it out in the morning. But yeah, you really want to keep up with the hair if you want to make it last longer than 2 weeks. However, this hair is also a virgin hair dupe, meaning it's not virgin hair. It's just kind of a duplication of it so that it's as close to human hair as possible. But if you do have some human hair, some really good virgin curly hair, this style would be so bomb and so much longer lasting if you have some virgin curly hair on you. Alright y'all, so at this point I am done with the back portion, and now I'm going to go ahead and start parting my hair to do the braids. I wanted some side swooped type of braids, so the pattern I went with was kind of angled to the side. You'll see that in just a minute. But also, as I continue to part my hair, I'm going through it using some of that jam in order to make sure my parts were as clean as possible. So I'm also using the Spectra hair to braid, and when I'm doing the Spectra hair, I go ahead and I part my hair at the very, very top, a very tiny piece of the part, split it into three, and I start my braid. And once I kind of get a good grip going towards the scalp, that's when I start adding in the Spectra hair. So you'll see me doing that right here. And as I'm going downwards and feeding in the braid with more and more hair, more little pieces, once I get further towards the bottom, I did cut a piece of the Janet curly collection hair, and I'm adding that to the bottom so I can have some curly ends instead of having straight ends, because yeah girl, we want it to all match. We don't want no straight ends at the bottom. So alright y'all, so at this point it was getting kind of late, so I started just trying to speed through it. So as you can see, I am going through these braids one by one, and getting to the bottom. Like I said, I'm adding that piece of that curly hair at the bottom, and as you can see, this is kind of where the braid pattern was going towards. At this point I had two more braids left, so I just kind of went ahead and I finished that off. And this is kind of what it looked like at the end. I did not do my edges until the morning, y'all, because it was like midnight at this point and I'm tired. I'm ready to get into bed. So once I finished with the braids, I, separated my hair at, the curly hair so that it was a little bit more fluffy. Cut the straight ends off of the braid, and I also did finish it off with a rubber band. And at the end, this is pretty much what it looked like. I did cut that little straight end at the bottom in the morning, but yeah, I went ahead, I tied my hair up, and this is kind of what it looked like the next day. Super cute. Edges was done, hair was cute, hair was laid. Yes, girl, I was feeling it. I really was feeling it. And this is also what it looked like. Everybody really loved this hairstyle. So, y'all, thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and follow me on Instagram at Applesweetpie. And go ahead and like, comment, share, and subscribe, y'all. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace out.